Impact Television, freestyle moment. By the time I squeeze everybody on their knees, look like Muslims finna pray for Dial-Team. My coke numbers coming short like I'm copping green. Cop a set of keys and flood the hood for about a half a week. You say the nigga snitch and bring his ass back to me. Sit him in a seat and have him snort up a half a key. Every day I'm in the hood like a bag of weed. We separated, I'm the drawer, you the bag of seeds. My money stacked like books, and for a half a key I can get your kidneys taken out like a surgery. You ain't heard of me, you ain't never heard of me. I made more sales than Scarface like an 85 a dollar. I say my price is cheap. Go around the corner, he want a buck and a 50 piece. The whole 7 grams, I can get you hooked up. If you cop a split, I throw you one just for good luck. The fans out here, be careful when you bagging up. Been and hit the last zip and here they come running up. That's why I got cameras outside of this fucking tip. They running here, I swear to God, I'm flushing every zip. This ain't no lie, it ain't no option, boy, I gotta get up on my shit bag a zip, then I'm out to split. I cop a brick, then you know I'm on some serious shit. The Cougar, not the Ruger with me, been to snipe some shit. No sniper gun, got the chopper, son. Knock your grandson on top of your son and kill him with your baby boy. It ain't shit, don't call me baby boy, cause I'm young and little, but still I got something that'll kill a Ruger. Kill a gator, my nigga, watch it, I'm on them gators. I propagated and shoot some gators, you know them haters. Them niggas fakers, I keep them coming. Fuck a hater, you flung flag and let me hit my square motivated.